Moving on to the theory of acids and bases, आपको दो theories होती हैं. If we talk about the Arrhenius theory क्या कहती है? That an acid is a substance which ionizes in water to give hydrogen plus ions. हमने IDCS में पढ़ा था that what are acids? Proton donors. So H plus can be denoted as a proton, and this is ionizing in water to give hydrogen ions. What is a base? A base is a substance which ionizes in water to give hydroxide ion. ये proton acceptors हैं. So this is the Arrhenius acid जो simply कहती है acid ionize in water to give hydrogen plus ions and base ionize in water to give the hydroxides ions as typical acids and bases. This is the Arrhenius theory जो कि हमेशा से IGCSE और GCE में भी पढ़ते आए हैं. But there are some limitations for this theory जिसकी वजह से एक Brostad-Lowry theory भी बनी थी. The thing is that when ammonia gas reacts with hydrogen chloride gas, ammonium chloride is produced. Although this really is an acid-base reaction, but it contradicts with the Arrhenius theory because no H plus or OH minus is produced. तो वो कहते हैं कि हमेशा H plus और OH minus नहीं बनते. Because what happened when ammonia is a basic gas and hydrogen chloride is an acidic gas? हुआ क्या कि ammonium chloride बन गया NH4Cl. Though it is an acid-base reaction because ammonia was a base and hydrogen chloride was an acid, but the thing was that no H plus or OH were actually produced. So these were the limitations of the theory for which there was another theory by another scientist that was known as the Brostad-Lowry theory.